Hi everybody, I am at KLS Gite, that is the Karnataka Law Society's Gogte Institute of Technology. This is the institution that was started about 46 years ago, that was 1979, and perhaps the one of the earliest institutes in the North Karnataka region. And over the years, the institution has developed as one of the finest institutions imparting the engineering education and is known across India and perhaps across the globe. I'm with the chairman of the governing council of KLS GIT, Rajendra Belagavi, uh, a personality having a multi faces, multi talents, a personality who is known for his entrepreneurial skills, who is also known for his humanitarian kind of nature, and also a philanthropist, and also a kind of educationist. So over to Rajendra Belagavi, or alias Raj Belagavi, who will speak about KLS GIT. Raj, kindly brief us about the institution that you are heading for over so many years altogether, and what is the latest that you would like to tell about GIT? Because we know like what is GIT. Many of the Goans know what is GIT, but now you know what how you would like to present GIT in a new format, in the new form rather. Over.
As an institution, Louis, first of all, very good to see you, and we are very happy with the manner in which GIT gets coverage in Goa, and we are very fond of Goa, as you know, and our association with Goa goes a long way. As an institution, I have to be relevant and I have to continue to update what is being done because students and their parents are going to demand something that is of today rather than something that was good yesterday. So, for example, this year we have done a number of things which should appeal to all of the students and parents. For example, our NVIDIA GPU server, okay, which is capable of millions of calculations in a very short amount of time and is dealing with AI, data science, and the latest, and we have kept it with an approach of multidisciplinary. We want even a mechanical engineering student to understand about AI, and of course, computer science and AI students to understand about AI. That is coming online within the next 30 days. So, that server came in November, and now it will be launched within the next month. Now, very soon, because of precision engineering, okay, you want to manufacture an Apple phone, you have to have precision in the manufacturing of the Apple phone. So we are setting up a center of excellence in precision engineering for our students. A mechanical student has to know precision engineering, a electronic student has to know precision engineering. So our centers of excellence, our strategy has been to add centers of excellence in various fields so that a student of a particular engineering course gets the core courses but also these additional sources of knowledge and experience on campus so that they become better engineers and are more useful to themselves and to society. So that approach is paying off for us at GIT, and I'm sure students and parents who visit our college will see that. So that's the story I can tell you about what GIT has been up to over the last year.
Uh, what would you advise the parents from Goa, as most of the Goans are seen pursuing their engineering education over here? So what is so special about it, and how you would like to convey your message to the parents and the students of Goa?
Sure. See, Goa and Belgaum have had historical relations. But the most interesting thing is culturally, Belgaum is very vibrant, very open, and this campus is beautiful. And so they will get their education from a top notch engineering college, but also in an environment where they feel at home and they are participating in all of our cultural activities and feeling good about themselves. Plus, they are close to home. That to me is a great combination for students of Goa and their parents to think about.
And what is the parents' feedback like? You might have come across some parents who are visiting the college.
Sure. Uh, we have reason to believe, based on our conversations with parents, that the students are happy and they make good friends here, and there is a good environment both for cultural activities, for entertainment, and for food. So we have reason to believe that they are happy with what they are getting from GIT.
Uh, would you like to speak about the employment opportunities and also the number of companies that you are associated with and the kind of package that has been offered by these companies to the students of GIT?
Sure. Our placement team at KLS GIT is one of the best in the region, and students who study well, do well, and are also participating in activities tend to get extraordinarily good opportunities. Of course, there are a few students who get very high packages, 34 lakhs, 54 lakhs, that happens, but on average, very good packages in the range of 7 to 11 lakhs happen very commonly at GIT among the top companies in India and the world. So the prospects for having finished engineering and a job opportunity are very good for most students.
What are the special initiatives or measures you take so that to make the campus of the institute student friendly and many other things? We have heard of the ragging and other issues are there. So how do you take care of this, or what initiatives you have taken so that the campus becomes very student friendly and environment is conducive for the studies?
Louis, you have raised a very, very important aspect of education. As a parent myself, those were the first things I would think of if I had to send my son or daughter to a hostel. We take ragging very seriously, and our record in that area, because of the committees we have and because of the staff we have in place, is excellent. We don't have any issues in those areas. But furthermore, because we have this practice of having a mentor for every student from the staff area, the students feel that while their parents may be away, they have a father figure or a mother figure on campus in the college, and it is that relationship that we have been able to imbibe into our working culture at KLS GIT that should give any parent satisfaction and confidence that their child will be safe and comfortable and happy while they are studying here. Because at the end of the day, we certainly believe that happy, and that is why we champion sports, we champion cultural activities. We are not of the variety that says 24 hours you need to study, only then you become a good engineer. We firmly believe that students who are 360 degrees in their approach tend to do better in life, and that is what we do. So I think parents should feel very confident about Belgaum and KLSGI.
So, GIT is all equipped for academics, for career development. It's a studious environment, and students' safety also is being taken care of personally. And with this, over the years, KLS GIT has become one of the most preferred institutions by Goans. So no wonder lots of Goan students are seen in the campus. We'll be also speaking to some of the students from Goa who have already pursued their studies. I'm with Dr. M.S. Patil, who is the principal of KLS GIT, the premier engineering institution in this part of the nation. Dr. Patil will tell us about GIT and what it means, especially to the students and the parents of Goa. Sir, kindly brief us about GIT and what are the special features of this institution and your appeal to the people of Goa or the students of Goa.
Yes, KLS Gogte Institute of Technology is one of the premier institutions in this part of the state. We offer engineering programs, 9 engineering programs, and the latest is computer science in artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is in the new trend. And also from this year we are going to start Bachelor of in Design also as one of the courses at KLS GIT. The college is moving in hand with the industries. We provide to the students the latest learning opportunities at the institutions, and we are happy to announce that we have 7 center of excellences catering to the needs in different niche areas in the emerging technologies. And to add, we are having the AI lab, which is powered by NVIDIA, which will give more leverages to the computing facilities at the GIT. The students at GIT are given many opportunities to groom overall, both not only academically as well as professionally, and also to develop the leadership skills. The students of GIT have been doing very wonderful jobs. They have been not only excelling in the academics, they have been excelling into co-curricular activities, participating into many of the competitions in the premier institutions such as IITs. They have been going to the internships at IITs and premier institutions in Pune and Bangalore. We cater to needs of all the students. The student individual mentorship is taken for the students so that proper guidance can be given to the students. As far as the students from Goa are concerned, yes, the students for Goa are welcomed. Many of the students are being a part of GIT in the past. Lot of trust for GIT by the Goans, and I believe and I have hope that this trust and belief and faith in KLS GIT will be there in future also, and we welcome all the students and parents of Goa to GIT. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Vikas Kingine, Dean Infrastructure of KLS GIT. GIT campus is spread across 22 acres of lush green farms. We have around 20 buildings catering to various academic requirements of our students. 400-seater capacity auditoriums, seminar halls, 102 plus ICT enabled classrooms and well equipped labs for all the departments. We have separate hostels for boys and girls of around 400 capacity each, various canteens, cafeterias where students enjoy a meal. We have sports facilities like playgrounds for cricket and football, kabaddi, volleyball. We have a special basketball court. We have facilities for indoor sports like badminton, table tennis, gymnasium, yoga rooms, etc. We have a fleet of more than 13 buses which brings us students from all corners of cities, also a special bus which comes from Khanapur. As we all know, Belagavi is the nearest city to Goa, just 2 to 3 hours away, and we have all the branches which you get from all, which you can get from all the institutes all over Karnataka and all over India. So we have special branches like aeronautical engineering, CS in AI/ML, and all the regular branches, core branches, circuit branches. So I feel students from Goa will enjoy the stay in Belgaum, and because of the good weather here, I think, and already we have a lot of alumnus and alumna base from Goa already in GIT. And so students from Goa right now can take benefit of their senior students, which will be helpful for their academic curriculum in GIT. So I welcome all student friends to our beautiful campus and be a part of GIT.
This is Dr. Harshit B. Kulkarni, heading the Mechanical Engineering Department at KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. Welcome to Mechanical Engineering at KLS GIT. The department is well equipped with latest equipments and the facilities for performing practical hands-on experiences for the students. We have established various centers of excellence, like Center of Excellence in Composite Materials, Center of Excellence in Design, Center of Excellence in Additive Manufacturing, Center of Excellence in Microwave Sintering, and also we have an association with Indian Institute of Management, Bengaluru, wherein we have a Center of Excellence, that is VLCI, Visionary Learning Community of India. A student who comes to mechanical engineering will have excellent training on hands-on skills. Latest electives have been embedded into the syllabus to provide them the latest technical knowledge. So having joined mechanical engineering is going to make a big difference for you, because multidisciplinary learning is the order of the day. Mechanical is being clubbed through these centers with other branches like electronics, computer science, electrical, and other branches. So multidisciplinary projects through clubs and chapters which are there at mechanical are going to give you a wonderful opportunity for skilling and getting placed. We have various chapters and clubs like American Society of Mechanical Engineers, Indian Society for Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, We also have American Society for Metals, Engineers Without Borders, we have Fluid Power Society of India, and so on. So with a total strength of 120, we are here, a total of 39 staff who are going to make a big difference in your career, and you are going to come up with flying colors in your career. Welcome to the Mechanical Engineering at KLS GIT.
This is Dr. Sachin Kulkarni, Head of the Department, Department of Civil Engineering, KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. Civil engineering is one of the oldest branch of engineering. We can call as mother of all engineering. Civil engineering at KLS GIT is one of the oldest branch, which is 46 years old. We have 120 intake and PG program in structural engineering, and we have faculties in all the specializations like structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, etc. In the today's scenario, in the sustainable development, civil engineering plays a vital role, and we have a holistic curriculum design for civil engineering at KLS GIT. We have hosted an international conference in 2023 on green technologies. We have skill development, we have certification courses in green building, urban infrastructure and planning. Faculties in various specializations have published papers in Scopus journals, SCI Index, attended many national and international conferences. We have exclusive lab in the structural engineering lab, having loading frame, C-frame and shake table. We do have non-destructive testing equipments, and all the laboratories are well equipped. We have strong alumni connect. Our UG students, after graduating, they carry out their MTech in premier institutes like NITs and IITs. Our graduates are placed in government sector, private sector, multinational companies. They are in the reputed and premier institutes. Recently, we have received sponsored funded equipment on CTM, profometer equipments from the Fosroc Chemicals.
Hi, this is Dr. Satyu Sanergi. It's a great honor and privilege to stand before you today as the head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Our CS department started in the year 1985. Since inception, it has made a gradual progress and has always stood at the forefront of innovation, research and academic excellence. With a team of dedicated and skilled faculty, passionate students and strong support from the institution, we are committed to shaping the future of technology and empowering the next generation of engineers. We are proud to have state-of-the-art laboratories like NVIDIA, and we have industry collaborations and vibrant research culture. Our department has produced numerous successful professionals, entrepreneurs and researchers who are making a significant impact across the globe. So there are plethora of companies like Palo Alto, PwC, PhonePe, etc. that recruit our students, and this is possible only because of the strong alumni connect. Moreover, we believe in holistic development of our students, and our students actively participate in the coding competitions, hackathons, open source competitions and community research programs. So we also encourage interdisciplinary learning and real world project experience through internships and industry types. We continue to grow. Our vision is clear: to become a center of excellence in computer science and engineering education and research. We have intake of 300 and a lot of companies, top-notch companies, as I mentioned, PwC, Palo Alto, TCS, PhonePe, then PayPal, Mercedes-Benz. They all come and recruit our students.
Hi, I'm Dr. Rajam Kulkarni, Professor and Head Department of Chemistry, Coordinator BSc Honours Program and Coordinator for Center for Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. We have 4 years BSc Honours Program, which is affiliated to VTU. It's in Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics. We have very highly qualified faculty members, with most of them with PhD degrees. The BSc Honours Program has multidisciplinary curriculum. It includes subjects from mechanical engineering, civil engineering, computer science, electrical engineering, and it also involves skill development courses, skill enhancement courses like IPR, or design thinking, economics, and sociology and other subjects are there. We have 2 centers of excellences. One is Center of Excellence in Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. We have published many papers with students, and students take up research projects in nanoscience and nanotechnology, and they go for internships. As BSc Honours Program involves internships and projects, so they undergo research projects in nanoscience and nanotechnology department, and they publish papers, and they go to IITs, very reputed institutes for internship, and and we have astrophysics center as well. In BSc Honors program, students have to undergo 2 internships and 2 projects. Last year, our students went to very reputed institutes like IITs and NITs and other institutes, and it's a 4 years program, so they get directly admission to MS program abroad. That's the advantage of this BSc Honors program, and it is different from conventional BSc.
Hi, this is Parmeshwar Bankar, heading the Department of Aeronautical Engineering. Aeronautical Engineering started in the year of 2017 with an intake of 60. KLS Gogte is the only college offering aeronautical engineering in the North Karnataka region. Department is equipped with advanced laboratories and curriculum structure where students can learn theoretically with hands-on experiments. The field covers the knowledge in the field of propulsion, avionics, structures, aerodynamics, performance and stability and control, etc. Department has signed an MOU with HL Management Academy, Bengaluru, Laticor India Private Limited, Belagavi, and GDTC, Belagavi. Department supports the students in terms of participation in research activities where students can do their research and present their papers at various conferences which are held at premier institutes. And aeronautical engineering is a multidisciplinary branch where students can work both in aeronautical, mechanical as well as in IT sectors.
Hello, myself Abhishek Ganeshpuri, professor in design, Department of Design. I'm heading Department of Design here. So under the legacy of Karnataka Law Society, Gogte Institute of Technology, we are launching a Department of Design from the current year, like under the banner of KLS GIT. And we have a specializations of 4, that is industrial design, fashion design, lifestyle accessory design and communication design, and the intake is 120-30 each department. And this is the first college in North Karnataka which comes under CET, where science as well as the commerce and other streams are also eligible in this. So like this particular design department, especially in India, it has started 60 years plus from the National Institute of Design. So all the faculties who are teaching here, so like they are from the reputed Indian and global institutions as well. So and the placement is 100% over here, as the industry has a lot of demand and the supply is less. That's why like all the students who are completing their career, so they will be having a full-fledged 100% placement from the KLS GIT.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. V.V. Kulkarni. I am taking care of Dean Academic Statutory Matters. Well, our college has started in the year 1979, and presently we are having 8 engineering programs, 1 architecture, 1 MBA, MCA departments, and from last year we have started with IMBA and IMCA as well, and in the coming academic year for 2025-26 we are applying for B design in 4 courses like communication design, interior and industrial design, lifestyle and accessory design, and fashion design. Also in the Department of Architecture we are starting with a diploma in interior design course from the coming academic year. Present intake of our college is around 1300 plus, and the total student intake is around 4500. Faculty strength of around 250 plus, of which around 90 plus are having PhD qualifications, and around 100 faculties have registered for PhD.
I am Dr. Arun Kumar, Dean Academics Development of KLS GIT. KLS GIT has come a long way from being an affiliated institution to one of the most sought after institutions, autonomous institutions in this part of Karnataka. We offer outcome-based education, and in that we offer different types of courses like core, open electives, professional electives, industry-based electives, programming language courses, engineering science courses, etc. We also have many center of excellences in electric vehicles, artificial intelligence with NVIDIA, then Center for Interdisciplinary Research and Design with the Dassault system, additive manufacturing, microwave, etc. All these center of excellences coupled with our cultural and different 30 odd clubs, they help the students to develop their personalities, including academics as well as an all-round development. So In addition to this, KLS GIT also has tied up with many industries in and around Belgaum, wherein the industry experts come to the institute and they deliver these open as well as professional electives to the students.
Welcome to the Department of Electrical and Electronics of KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. Our department is at forefront of innovation and shaping the future of electrical and electronic systems. We at GIT, we empower the students with knowledge of electrical systems, electronic systems, IoT, EVs, and various computing languages also. Recently, we have established a Center of Excellence in the domain of electric vehicle as in association with the Decibel Labs Private Limited, Bangalore, so that we empower the students with the future of EVs. This branch has wide scope and openings for the student to shape their career. Firstly, they can make their career in all electrical companies, supply companies, generation companies. Secondly, they can make their career in the domain of IT as we teach them with all computing languages like C, C++, Python, etc., IoT, to name a few. They can also make their career in the domain of hardware where we teach them also the circuit simulations and designs. Lastly, they can also make their career as an entrepreneur in the field of energy sector, renewable energies, to name a few. So, this branch opens up a wide range of career opportunities for the student and to excel as per their wish and passion, what we believe in hands-on experience here in all these domains. Also, we have a well-equipped lab in the domain of high voltage machines, power electronics, circuits, and to EV. As you can see here, this is the lab state-of-art established recently. We also manage 450 kilowatt solar power plant and a free charging station to all the students and faculties at GIT. So, we have an experienced faculty with average experience of 12 years. We have an intake of 60. We have 4 PhDs and remaining all 10 are registered and a few are about to complete. So with this, come join us and explore the exciting journey of shaping your future and career in this domain of electrical and electronics. Thank you.
We are at GIT's Department of Architecture, one of the finest architecture department that the region has. This institute is known for one of the finest students, the alumni who have excelled across the nation. So I'm with Mr. Dr. Ritesh Dharmayat, who is the HOD of Department of Architecture. Over to Dr. Dharmayat.
Hello everyone. I am Professor Ritesh Dharmayat. The Department of Architecture at KLS Gogte Institute of Technology was established in the year 1998 with over 25 years of excellence in architectural education in this part of the Karnataka. We at the department offer a 5 years bachelor's course in architecture with 80 intake and a 3-year diploma course in interior design with 40 intake. For the bachelor's of architecture, the NATA is compulsory. We are an established NATA test center. We have our own test center at the department. The department offers a very unique teaching and learning practices like architectural design studios and building construction studios, which are site-based studies. We have the skill labs on augmented reality and virtual reality, and also on building information modeling, which are very unique to any architectural institutes of North Karnataka. We offer national as well as international study tours. We offer various workshops, seminars and expert talks on architecture and allied subjects. We also have a very well established library which is exclusive to the Department of Architecture with over 3,000 volumes and journals and books on various topics. We also have other labs like climatology lab, we have lab on model making, we have lab on the material museum, we have other various facilities. The department, it offers a very unique learning experiences, and we had many students previously from Goa who have studied here, who have excelled in the field of architecture and also various allied fields. They are working in top posts in various architectural firms across nation as well as in the overseas also. So they have an excellent opportunity here at the department. NATA is actually, it starts from March and it goes on for around 4 months. And the NATA tests are held every Friday and Saturday. So they can choose any day of their convenience at Belgaum. So once they register on the NATA website, the test centers is yeah. We help them to register. We have help desk at the department. We help them to go through the registration process entirely, and we also offer NATA orientation classes where we give detailed information regarding the NATA test, the various parts of it.
Hello, I am Dr. Shweta Gowder, Professor in Master of Computer Applications and Dean R&D at KLS Gogte Institute of Technology. So there are 10 research centers in various departments of KLS GIT which work on the niche research areas. About 160 plus research scholars from various engineering colleges have registered here. So we produce more than 200 plus good reputed journal articles every year, and more than 10 to 12 research scholars get their PhD. We have a very good full-time PhD policy rolled from last 2 years. There are more than 3 to 4 PhD full-time research scholars which the fellowship are available here, and we are promoting more. Then also we have to have the encouraging the entrepreneurship. We are starting with a new incubation area. Currently about 11,000 square foot area is ready. So where in another 2 months time the entrepreneurs would get. So it is there for both the students of GIT and also the outsiders, and also the faculty can enroll. Then in a very short, maybe in another 18 months, we would have about 30,000 square foot area where a full-fledged incubation would be coming up. Then we have a center of excellence across different departments with a multidisciplinary this. The latest one what we have is the NVIDIA GPU powered AI lab with H200 GPU, so which would be available for use for everybody, the GIT and other faculty, students and other researchers here from June or July onwards, where they can do the niche research, they can process the high-end data here.
माझें नाव एबल सांताना फर्नांडीस. हांव पणजे गोंयचो आनी हांव आतां हांगा 2021 येयलोलो. हांव आतां इलेक्ट्रिकल आनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कोर्स करता हांगा.
हांगा कशी फॅसिलिटी आसा, एज्युकेशन कशें आसा, तुमचे आनी कलिग्स बीन आसात हांगा?
हांगा फॅसिलिटीज बरी आहा. आतां नवे ईवीचे बद्दल कितें फॅसिलिटीज केला हांगा, आनी आमचे डिपार्टमेंटान डेरील म्हणून एक सिनियर सुद्दां आसा इलेक्ट्रिकलान, तो सुद्दां गोंयचो पोंडा.
अशी कितली भुरगीं आसतले हांगा?
हांगा 10-15 भुरगीं आसा एट प्रेझंट आमचे बॅचातून.
तुमचे बॅचातून म्हणजे टोटल कॉलेजा भितर भरपूर गोंयकार आसतात अशें म्हणटा?
हय आसतले.
My name is Prajakta Chavan. I'm from GIT College Belgaum and I'm from EC branch. So this college there are good placements, faculties also are very good, and then regarding my branch it is like you will get personal attention from the faculties, and the faculties are experienced, and yeah, and the lab sessions also they are very well going on all.
How about your future?
So placements, about my placements, yeah, we have actually they go to say कि this is a top college in Belgaum, so that's it, like, and placements there, like last year we had something around 800 placements.